Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here. And first off, I'm going to apologise. I've got a cold. I'm not sure if you can hear it in my voice, but I have a good cold. So that is what we're going to be working with. However, to be fair, this clip is going to be short. I bought something yesterday and thought I would fill you in. So this is part 4 of Dream Makeover, sort of bedroom renovation series. I'm not sure what we're going to achieve in this video, but I will kind of speak you through what we've done, what we still need to do. But first off, I'm going to show you what I got today. Well, this is actually yesterday. So my dad had double discount at Asda's. So we had 20% off. I got what they called a marshmallow vase and it looks like a flump. I am obsessed. I'm going to replace the vase I've got currently with this one and I just think this is so fun. So I'm going to put that in, and that was £8, but I got 20% off, so whatever that is. Okay, so we've just been trying to fix out the wardrobe situation because if you've seen my the last two parts, the wardrobe doors are put on the wrong way round. We've managed to get the wardrobe doors to line up. They weren't lining up for a while, so we've had to squidge something in to kind of make it level. I don't know. We're now just trying to fix this little gap. I'll show you. So I've now got the mirror on the end. I think I might cut out like a Cricut vinyl to here or something, like at the top or the bottom. That's like removable, but just make it look cute. But basically, now I've got obviously the double and then the single having the mirror on, which I kind of like because I kind of want the mirror directly in front of the bed. I don't know, it just feels like cool. I feel like to take selfies in it and stuff, look cute. But as you can see, there is a little gap, which to be honest, when I'm filming on here, it looks absolutely minuscule. It does look a tiny bit worse in person, but there's no gap at the bottom, so I'm going to try and lift up the bottom a little bit, so hopefully they will tilt and match up. And now they're so much more straight, and I realised how bad they were before. Now they are straight. Also, all my stuff is now on my bed while we do this, and I've still got a pile of washing down there that's been there for ages, and I am just not putting it away. Okay, so here is the overview of the room. I'll talk you through stage by stage what we've done, what we're going to do. So I've put a little cover around that light switch. These I want to paint. I was originally thinking a fun mural, but I'm now thinking I might just do a block colour. The plant pot we've switched out, and we got this little wavy candlestick from St Luke's Hospice for £4.50. We did a DIY last episode on this mirror to make it a wavy mirror. We got some odd bric-a-brac pieces from various different shops. We also got my new cow chair. Excuse my outfit of the day, is going to be there. Then we have fixed these wardrobes, finally, as you would have just seen. So they now kind of actually look like actually built properly. So we swapped the doors around. We kind of just secured it a little bit more and stabled it up a little bit. We have changed the bedding to this fun gingham bedding from Asda's. We have decorated these shelves, although these will probably be coming down, but we have decorated them nonetheless. We got some more funky bric-a-brac on here, my little candles. We've got these little candle holders and extra vases, and I've moved my fan from there to here. Things I still want to do, I'm going to take this wallpaper down, paint it white or a colour, I'm not sure yet. Change out the bedside tables, get a new rug, paint that, and I think that is everything. Oh, and of course I forgot the best thing. My baby chandelier. I love this thing so much. It was such a pain to get up, but it's up and she's looking beautiful. Okay, so it's significantly later since I last filmed that last clip. I can't actually even remember what the last clip was. I think I brought something, probably. Emily is here. Hello. And we're going to tackle the wallpaper. So I'll show you what we've done so far. Everything on my bed. Don't shame me for this. The bed is now here, so this is the wall we're taking the wallpaper down off of. So I'm going to move that bedside table and these plugs and then take down the shelves and then get going. Okay, so we have filled the holes in the wall, and it is the majority off. There's a couple of bits like the backing and the gluey bits still on there which needs to come off, but we are probably just going to sand them off when we sand the filler down, and then we're going to put a coat of paint on. So we should be able to finish this all in one day, which is great because I was expecting it to be like a longer job. So we're going to wait for the filler to dry, and then we're going to put a coat of paint on. I do think you'll only need one because it is white underneath, as you can see, and it's just going to be white. I know I was debating on doing different colours and stuff, but I do think I am just going to paint it white because I'm worried about the room looking cluttered with all the stuff I've added in. I do kind of want to put a mirror on there, although, as you guys are aware, I've got about so many mirrors in here. But I am going to take off the two that are on my built-in cupboard. So I'm hoping that will make it look less mirrory. And I'm also aware you're not meant to have a mirror facing a mirror, because apparently it's bad luck. But then also you're not meant to be sleeping in front of a mirror, and I've been doing that for the last couple of weeks, and it's fine. I am not possessed. So I think we're good. Emily, how do you feel like it's gone?
Alright.
Good.
I think we've done pretty well.
I think we've done amazing. I was expecting this to take the whole day, just getting the wallpaper off, and I was expected to feel frustrated if I couldn't, but it actually came off really well. So we just mixed hot water with fabric softener and a bit of fairy liquid. We soaked it with some dish sponges, like nothing fancy. We didn't use any fancy tools, and then we just scraped it. That was the only tool we did use, is a scraper. I'm sure you can probably get these really cheap. Luckily my dad has kind of every tool in the book. And so yeah, we soaked it, left it for not really any time. By the time we soaked the whole wall, the bits that we kind of soaked first were fine to start scraping, and we just kind of went for it, had some music on, and I'd say the scraping probably took about an hour, would you say?
Yeah, I'd say about that.
About an hour to scrape the whole thing off. Obviously there still is a couple that you can kind of see, couple of like bits and bobs on there, which is more like the glue, which will come off fine. I mixed up some filler as I normally do to fill holes, and yep, they are just drying. So probably go get some food. Potentially we need to go to a shop, because we go to Emily's tonight, so potentially do that. Although I'm really sweaty and no, I don't want to shower because I'm gonna get painty, so not sure what we're gonna do there. But I think with my bed here, I'm probably gonna sleep with my bed like this tonight and let the wall like fully dry, and then wake up in the morning. If I do feel like it needs a second coat, I can put it on there, but I'm hoping by tonight I won't feel like it does. So I'll probably sleep with my bed here. And it's really weird seeing my bed this way around because I'm not used to it. But that was a really long rambly thing to say. We've taken off the wallpaper, we've filled it, and now we're waiting to paint. Okay, it is the next day, and we put another coat of paint on. I look very scruffy. But we put another coat of paint on. We had to put another coat of paint on the alcove thing because it just looked really dirty compared, and we've got some paint on it, so it just made sense to paint it. It's all cool when you only paint a little bit of a room, where to stop. So I'm aware if you look at it too close, you will find some faults, and that is fine. But I'm going to show you it. To be honest, I'm not sure how well I can show it. I don't think we're going to need an extra coat of paint actually on the wall. This is a bit we've painted, so we'll probably have to do another coat of paint on the top. And we've actually had to go to there, but because my curtain will be there, it'll kind of diffuse that bit, but it just this looked really dirty compared to it. Probably needs to do a bit on the top there, but that's what happens when you burn candles in your room. My sister actually had this bedroom before I did. I've got paint in my, no I haven't. And she used to burn candles on the shelf, which inevitably got loads of soot on the shelves, and that is why they look like that. But anyway, I think the wall is fine now, which is great. I am going to put a mirror up at some point, potentially this afternoon, which you would have seen in part 1 of the room makeover series, but that is all we're doing now. Okay, so the wall is painted and all done. I've put my bed back. We'll show you what it's all looking like in a minute, but I wanted to show you what I picked up from the charity shops today for the room. So the first thing was £1.99, and it's just this really cute heart Connect 4. This is originally from Tiger, and I just thought that was really cute. It's obviously part of like their Valentine's Day special. If I don't find a place for that out, I think I will just keep it kind of tucked away in a drawer, but it'd be nice to kind of get out when people come round. And then the other thing I picked up, just got to find it in my bag of shopping. I will haul this. You probably would have already seen actually all of these pieces that I'm looking through, but I just got for £3 from Cancer Research this like bust woman. It's like proper, like feels quite hefty. Probably not made out of any sort of stone, it might just be really heavy plastic, but I thought that was quite sweet to go somewhere as a little bit decoration. Excuse my appearance, I actually look crazy. I have just done coats of paint and stuff, so I look a bit crazy. But yes, they're the two pieces of home decor / games I picked up for the room. Okay, so here is what the plain wall is looking like, and it is exactly looking like what you think it is. It's a giant plain white wall that definitely needs some decoration. I'm not quite sure what yet. We've got my mirror, which I am thinking I'm still going to put up, but I'm not sure. It's not going to focus. I'm not sure what else, whether we're going to bring back some of the stuff we took down, some of the photos, make like a little gallery wall situation. I am not sure, but that all is going to be in the next episode of Amy's Room Makeover series. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And yeah, that's it for today's one. So I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to get a thumbs up, comment, you know, give me some praise, tell me I did well with taking wallpaper down, because I bet you, I tell you, I was stressed before I went into it, but it actually was okay. And subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.